So hey guys, what's up? So welcome to another live review blog guys. So after all, finally today I'm standing near this. This is the Mahindra Thar 2020 and here is the key of this car in my hand. Yeah, I know guys that this video has came 1 month late where many video has already came on this car and there is a reason why this video has came so late in our channel and the reason I will tell at the end of this video. So this is our second video on this car. Well, if you have not seen our first video on this car which has came before the launch of this car, I am putting the video on the I button. You can go and check out. So, in our last video of Thar, I told you that if Mahindra provides all kinds of needed features which were not there in the old Thar, like a fuel efficient engine, comfortable seats, especially the front seats, and many more. So, Mahindra has just not only improved Thar at its best, but it improved it at a next level. Yes, you heard it right. Starting from the engine to its features, Mahindra has done a very much excellent job on this car. So, in today's video, I am going to talk about some of its features, pros and cons, and this car is worthy to buy or not. And to know all of this, watch this video till the end. So, without any wasting time, let's push the gears. So before going to the walk around of this car, first I will show you the engine and tell about its configuration. So at first I have to open both the clip of the bonnet and wait for it. Yeah, so all things are set. So this is the M-Hawk diesel engine. Here it is written over here, you can see. This is a 2184 cc engine which produces 130 horsepower and 300 newton meter of torque, which is definitely powerful, and this engine gives mileage around 15.2 kmpl, which is very much fuel efficient. So here Mahindra has done a good job and I like this engine. So coming to the walk around of this car looks very much huge and big if I compare with the old Thar. They have much increased the size and the design of this car looks so bold that seriously, the designer of this car has just damaged the looks in next level. And about the headlamp, so here you can see a small LED DRL with a halogen indicator and a halogen headlamp on the both side. You can say the headlamp they have given outdated, but still they are very nice. But one thing I forgot to tell you guys, that the variant which I am doing is the AX variant, which is the best variant of this car. And if you wanted to know about the other variants, you can check the link in the description. But if it would be the LX variant, then you will see a fog lamp setup under this. Also, you can see they have provided basic rims on wheels on the base variant. So yeah, in top variant you will see alloy wheels. And coming to the back profile, so here you can see all LED tail lamp with a Thar badging and on the both side, and this thing enhances the back profile looks. And coming to the back seat, so let's open this, and here another thing that here you can see the stepney has mounted on it, so this enhances the look more. So let's open it. So one thing I wanted to tell you guys that this two-row back seat variant has been discontinued from the company. So I will not talk much about it. So I'm just sitting here and about the comfort means it is the comfort is decent, means 2 to 4 people can comfortably sit over here, and nothing much to talk about this seat. So I'm getting to the front seats, let's get into it. So here coming to the driver seats, as it is a base variant, you will get to see many features are missing in compared to the top variant. So here also nothing much to talk. So I am just sitting over here. About the seats are comfortable, even adjustable too, which is a very good thing. So here nothing has given, but in top variant I am showing you in picture. At top variant, the interior looks this kind, where you will get 5 to 6 inch infotainment system, automatic climate control assist, 4x4 automatic gear, and many more features which are there in the top variant. Now in this variant, here you will get to keep stuffs over here, and here you will get a normal AC, not a climate control one. And here AC vents are quality is good, and here these are normal AC controls which you can see, and the button quality is also good. And this is the 4x4 manual gear, and with a 4x4 indicator also. And here is this is the normal basic steering wheel, power steering wheel, which doesn't have any kind of buttons on it. So yeah, this is a normal one. And another thing which I forgot to, that this is not a wireless phone charging pad. For phone charging, here a 12-volt socket has been provided, and here you can see 2 cup holders, power window buttons. And here you can, another thing I want to show you, that here is the serial number badging, where I'm clearly showing you that. So here you can see it clearly that here in this badging written Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, model number Thar, serial number this. So this all kind of, and another thing which is very good, that they have provided a cup holder on the doors. So now coming to the instrument cluster, so let's switch on the cluster. So here I insert it. So yeah, it has been switched on. Now you can see the interface. At first only Thar logo, and after that seat belt warning indicator, which has been at first only provided. And after that trip A, trip B, how much kilometer it's gone, time, and even the odometer is also there. And traction mode is also there, so you can see the traction mode, warning sensors, settings. So all over it, the instrument cluster is fully loaded, means very good. And another thing about this car, that here is the you can see the 4x4 LED indicator has been on. So it's showing that the 4x4 is activated. And now about the interior build quality. So the interior build quality is very good, and it in tougher side, goes in tougher side. So now before coming out of this car, I wanted to show you the roof of the car at first. So in the roof, you are seeing here in the base variant it has been provided with a light, but in top variant here 4 speakers are mounted. Yes, in top variant, in LX variant you will get 4 speakers, not JPL one, but a stock experience which are mounted, and will give you an average sound quality. So yeah, all over it is great. Now let's come out of this car. So another thing I forgot to show you, that the glove box. Yes, the glove box size is small, means only paper you can only keep inside it, and small some small stuff. Yeah, so this is all about. If it would be the LX variant, I will show you the mode. So one thing I wanted to tell you, that whenever you will close and open the door, you will feel a thumpiness which I cannot express you all guys. Means so, feels so thumpy, means water additive. So yeah, let's get out of it. Guys, I wanted to share some of the facts regarding this Thar 2020. So recently, few weeks ago only, in global NCAP test, Thar has achieved 4 out of 5 star. Yes guys, it has achieved in the safety test of NCAP 4 out of 5 star, which is a very big achievement for Thar. And in the other hand, where the Jeep Wrangler, which has got 2 or 3 stars in global NCAP test, that cars, that Wrangler's lighter version, Thar, has scored 4 stars in the global NCAP test. So means, can you imagine that in which level Mahindra has created this Thar? So now I will talk about my honest opinion on this Thar 2020 by changing the background of the video. So let's get into it in the count of 3, 2, 1. So before going to the end of this video, I wanted to give a special thanks to the NR Autos who helped me out to make this video. If you wanted to book any Mahindra car like this Thar, Scorpio, XUV, etc, then you should visit to their showrooms, or I am giving you their website link in the description, where you will get their address and phone number. Also you can book on their website also. So now at first, talking about its pros and cons. See, one thing I want to tell you guys, that I am a beginner automobile reviewer, and these all things are my starting, and my analysis cannot be that good, but I read some of the articles of the new Thar 2020, where some high level expert reviewers have told that this car is toughest SUV on a budget segment. And about its pro side, this car is a perfect off-roader. As you can see, it provides all kinds of features which today's generation off-roader needs. But about the con side, according to some expert reviewers, they told that this car's engine refinement is not in that level which you are expecting. And another thing, that this car brake doesn't go through the harder side. Yes, so these are the pros and cons. Now coming to the main thing, my honest opinion, and this car is value for money or not. See, if you ask me, do you like this car or not? I will tell I like this car very much. And another thing I want to tell you guys, that Thar comes in one of my dream car list. Yes. So this car is value for money or not? See, if you wanted to take your car for outing, weekend and weekend trips more than normal city commuting, then you should go for this car. For commuting purpose also, this car is good, as its engine is more fuel efficient. But if you want a hardcore off-roader on a budget price, then you can go for this car. So this is all about the exciting Mahindra Thar 2020. Now one thing you all guys are must thinking, that why I bring this video so late. See, actually happen is that I was not getting any kind of information that how will I get permission to shoot video on this car in showroom. So after asking from many people, after 1 month I got the permission. So many things have happened for this permission that I will not explain you, because if I explain you, the video will be stretched more. So what's your opinion on the Mahindra Thar 2020? Please tell us in the comment section. So if you like this video, then please click on the like button, and if you are a car and bike enthusiast, then please subscribe to our channel The Motor Rages and join our family. And if you are there in the Instagram, then please follow me there, link in the description, and share this video to the maximum people. So guys, meet you at the next video. Till now, bye.